Hi folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, my name's John.
And I'm Carol.
Sorry we've not uploaded, but most of you know by now that I've had the operation 9 months ago and my ankle still ain't right. But the good news is we've got the motorhome back at home now. We've had it stored at my son-in-law's garage since November. Unfortunately, while it's there, it was, well,
invaded.
We got intruders. We brought it home the other week. I drove up to Bangor just to test the duck clutch. I'll show you that in another video. It's weird. After 40 plus years of driving, to suddenly change gear with push the clutch in with your finger instead of your feet, it seems strange, but I'll explain that another time. Yeah, we've got intruders in the camper. We've got mice. Carol went out yesterday and she noticed that the fro had been eaten. So we put some mouse traps down, and today we got two today. So Carol went out to strip everything, make sure nothing else is damaged. Well, unfortunately they got into the vacuum bags where she stores her sheets and stuff, and all the sheets have been eaten up. Like I said, the fro's been eaten up. They even ate their way into a tub of rice, and they built quite a large nest underneath the mattress on the bed above the... Sorry?
Really big.
Yeah, a real big one. I'll show you it in a second. Under the mattress on the over bed cab, there was two nests in there. A small one, which I think they were storing their food in, which was mainly all the rice that they'd nicked out the tub, and also where they'd put all the other stuff. What makes it worse, they're better silicone toys. Not the rude ones. Not the rude ones. Collapsible kettle in other things that she had. They've all got nibbles in, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a bit upsetting. So I'll show you those where the mice were right now. Catch you back in a minute. This is what happens if you store your motorhome for a while. One huge mouse trap there. The second one here. This is the bed above the cab. Well, as you can see, there were two good sized nests. Hopefully there was only the two mice, but anyone that's had mice will know that one's not too bad. Two could be a problem. There could be two mice, or there could be 102 mice. So we'll put the traps back out again tonight. So hopefully if there's any more, we will catch them. If not, then we'll leave them in for a few days and see what happens. But it comes with it, doesn't it? You know, if you store your vehicle somewhere, you don't know what's happening. So was a bit upsetting, wasn't it?
It was. The
other thing is that when we got the vehicle back, I noticed the rear view camera wasn't working on the monitor, or the monitor weren't working. So we ordered another monitor and tried it, and the monitor comes on, but it's also the cameras, but also the 10-inch Android radio I fitted last year, that's gone as well. So the only thing I can put that down to is that when they fitted the duck clutch, he may have not disconnected the batteries properly, or left the habitation batteries in. I don't know what's happened there. But usually if you leave the battery connected when you do welding, it can fry your electronics inside the camper. And it just seems coincidental that the reversing cameras are gone, the monitor's gone, and the Android radio's gone. So that's the only thing I can put it down to. The wiring to everything is okay. I've checked all that out. So that's a bit upsetting. We've priced up to replace it, and if we change it like for like, we'd be looking at over £700. So what we've decided on doing is ordering a 7-inch monitor and getting two wireless cameras, and that way we can install them on the back and get rid of the twin one we've got, because the twin one we've got, it's both cameras that come in and are in one wire. So if one camera did pack up, you'd have to change both. So we thought, get two wireless ones, didn't we?
Yeah. And
that way we've got a rear view camera as well as our reversing camera. So that's going to have to be replaced. So we've ordered those, haven't we? We've also ordered another DAB Android radio. So I'm going to have to change that. And I've got to put on a handrail so I can get in and out the habitation area. With my bum ankle, I can't manage the steps without pulling on something. So we've got that coming as well. So if you're interested in seeing how you install the rear view wireless cameras, or how I install them,
it wouldn't be me.
Leave a comment below, and I'll show you that, as well as I can re-upload the fitting of the Android. I did that last year. What else is there? And if you're interested on how to fit your own handrail, security lock on the habitation door, leave the comment below, and I'll also share that video with you. So that's it really for now. Once we get the van back in a livable condition and make sure we've got no more mice, we'll get on and get out for a few weekends locally and slowly go a bit further afield, as and when my ankle is up to it. But to all our subscribers and followers, thank you all. You know, we're still getting quite a lot of views each month. Whenever we upload, we're getting over 2,000 views on each video. So I'm really pleased about that. And I thank you all for sticking with us.
Much appreciated.
We've only lost, what, 2 or 3 subscribers while we've been off with my ankle. So all the 970 plus of you that has stuck with us, thank you very much. To all our viewers, if you haven't subscribed, like I say, there's nearly over 50% of you who view the channel haven't subscribed. So please consider doing so. Yeah.
Hit the notification button.
Yeah. So that's it, folks. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, like Carol said.
And leave a comment.
Yeah. Put a comment below.
Yeah.
We read all the comments and we reply to them. So that's it for now, folks.
Yep.
Thanks for being with us. Take care, stay safe, and
happy travelling.
Happy travelling. Bye for now.
Bye.